Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all gestures on your AirPods Pro 3. So, the touch area is located on the sides on your earbuds right here and right here. We have it. So we need to press on this touch area, double, triple press, or slide up or slide down. I will tell you about it later, so firstly let me wear them and play some song. If you press one time at the touch area at your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. Now I'm going with a single press. As you can see, I pause the song, single press again, and I play the song. If you press two times, you will play next track. 1, 2. You can use left and right earbud again, and triple press play for you previous track. 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe I switch to another music. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and I just play previous track. Then we have press and hold. By default, with the press and hold, let me open settings, you will switch between ambient sound control, so between transparency, ANC, and adaptive mode. So press and hold. Now I switch to ANC and transparency. We can also add in the settings, so we can add to switch to adaptive and to the normal mode. It's up to you if you enable also normal mode. And now let's check. From transparency I have adaptive, then ANC, then press and hold, and normal mode. You can also set press and hold for your left or right earbud, or for both of them, to call voice assistant. Let's say I add it for the left earbud. Let me press and hold. And I just called the Siri, but we need to turn on it. Also, during the call, with a single press, you will answer the call. With then when you answer the call with a single press, you can mute or unmute the microphone, but it depends, because maybe you change it in the settings, so you can set it to a double press. You need to check it, and then we have finished the call, so double press or single press, depend what you set it for. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, sorry, I forget about charging case, because we have also touch area at the charging case. So on the front side, under the LED light, we have it, and if you put your earbuds to your earbud to the charging case and double press, you will enter pairing mode. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.